So guys, as usual, I'm going to start with my brows. So today I'm going to use my Benefit brow cream gel, and I'm also going to use my two favorites, this one. So I'm going to start with my brow pencil, and then I will use my brow fiber just to set my brows on place. So with no further ado, let's start. Okay, so if you see me looking here, I'm just using my mirror. I think, guys, I should bring you closer. So let me just bring you closer so you can see what I'm doing. So as usual, guys, let me put the light closer too, because yep, as usual, guys, I usually follow my brow. I don't draw something that I don't have, so I just follow my brows, my actual brows. That's what I feel in, and yeah, it works perfectly. And I find it just, when I follow my brows, my natural brows, it makes my facial features to stand out. Because before I used to just shave it and put some, you know, I put my own imaginary brow. But it has been years since I discovered that, hey, you don't have to shave your brows and draw something that is not existing. So that's what I do, and I usually use my brow pencil very slightly, as you can see, guys. And then, so I'm going to do one brow so you guys can see. And if you haven't watched my brow video, you can go and check that one out. I have just a video where I do my brows. I show you guys how I usually do my brows. So I'm going to take this Benefit gel, and this is how it looks like. It comes with a brush, and just open it. You put the brush on this side, just like that. You fix it, and then you take your brush, and then you can just use it. So I'm going to fill it more, just fill my brows. And this gel is waterproof, is sweat-proof, waterproof, whatever. So you don't have to worry during summer when you're sweating. You can just use this Benefit brow gel. And if you guys are asking which number I'm using number 5. Yeah, it's number 5. I'm using number 5 there. Yeah, number 5. So I'm looking for, yeah, it's built from natural looking to dramatic, 24 hours, and it's a waterproof. That's what it says there. So I'm going to take I've done that, so I'm going to take my eyebrow fiber gel just to set it. And this brow fiber gel is from Hamer. If you live in the Netherlands, that's where I buy it. It's one of my best eyebrow products ever. Sometimes I just use this to set even my natural brows, even without filling, and they look so good. and they stay put the whole day. If I'm going somewhere with the makeup the whole day, I just use my brow gel, this one, and my brows, I don't even use the pencil or anything, and my brow sits the whole day. So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to clean my brows as usual, guys. You all know the steps. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've done my brows. As you can see, I've already done my brows. I've cleaned them all. So I'm going to take my Baby Skin from Maybelline. It's Insta Pore Eraser. This is a primer. So I'm going to use this to prime my face. So guys, I started doing my makeup with a very good mood, like, and then instantly I don't feel like, you know what? Yes, sorry guys, my hands are also clean. Already cleaned my hands, of course. Feel up, it's make the skin look smooth. So instantly, so before I applied this, first of all, I didn't tell you, I've applied my rose water on my face first. That's why you're seeing it was glowing. So I've used this one to prime my face. So I don't know where that feeling came from. I just felt lazy. And instead, but we are going to go ahead. So that's the primer that I've used. It's from Maybelline, the Skin Baby Insta Pore. You can see, guys, yeah, that's what I've used. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use my W7 Delicious, and I'm going to use some colors from this W7 on the rocks. Okay, so let's go ahead.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So thank you very much everybody for watching. For my newcomers, you're very much welcome. For my old subscribers, thank you very much for being here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that red button, subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell so every time I upload new video you get a notification that I have a new video on my channel. So guys, thank you very much and have a wonderful time. Mwah. Bye guys.